For making stuffed omelette, we will start by chopping the bell peppers. We will chop green, yellow and red bell peppers. Chop 1 onion, 1 chili. Now in a big bowl, add 30 grams of shredded chicken, 3 to 4 boiled mushrooms. Add all the bell peppers. It's looking so colorful. Add the onion and the green chilies. Add red chili flakes and oregano. Two tablespoons mayonnaise. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt. Now mix all well and keep aside. Now in a fresh bowl, take 2 eggs. Add a pinch of black pepper and salt. Whisk well. Now take a pan, add 1 tablespoon butter. Add the egg. Wait for few seconds. Then put the stuff over the egg. Add on some cheese. Fold the egg very carefully and keep aside. Now take a grill pan, brush some butter. Put slice of bread and toast it. Your breakfast is ready to serve.